Good morning. I am here at the departure lounge for the Eurostar, I think it is. I always get confused, Eurostar or Euro Tunnel. Wherever it is, I'm there. Eurostar says hubs. We're here. It's early o'clock. I'm telling you, I'm not a morning person and I'm tired. But we're here. I am excited. Very excited. Got up early o'clock, like I said. It's early o'clock still now. It's dark outside. We're here. We come through the security check and everything else. Actually on the way to Paris. I can't wait. The funny thing is, about a couple of months ago I was going to surprise hubby and it didn't work out, and then now he didn't surprise me, but he kind of surprised me. Meaning, like, obviously we need to get childcare and everything else like that, so he had to tell me before time. But we're going now. We're gonna have a nice time. It's the first time on the Eurostar for me and for hubs, so that will be nice. But yeah, just looking around. It's quite busy, quite nice. See my head top. Yep. Hair has to be done on the train, makeup has to be done on the train because it was early o'clock. Anyway, I'll try and do some recording in a bit of the editing. People are looking at me like, what's she doing? I'm recording, that's all, don't worry. But you know me, I get kind of self-conscious of recording and everything. But yeah, that's it. Probably gonna have some breakfast on the train. I want to sleep. I want a whole asleep on the train. That's what I want to do. Anyway, catch up soon. On the train now, and we're going to depart very soon. I'm actually excited, but I'm so tired. It's alright. Hustle and bustle. Excitement. Nothing really to show. This looks like a normal train. Seats are alright. See if you can see the backrest there. Seating is cool, nice and comfortable. I've got the window seat. So yeah, that'll be it for now. Don't even know why I'm whispering, but yeah. Now we've arrived and hubby just jumped in my seat. So yeah, as you can see, I took my hair down, put a little bit of eyeshadow on, bit of lippy lips. Yep, done that while hubby was sleeping. I actually was tired, but I thought I might as well just take my hair down. So I think it's 7 o'clock now in the morning, and we got here really quickly. Hubby's got his map out. I think he thinks it's Dora the Explorer. So no, it's really nice so far. Nothing to complain about. The seats are actually quite comfortable, and I am happy to say that I'm fitting in seats very, very nicely. Much better than before. But yeah, I think hubby, I don't know if he went to get some tickets, some metro tickets or something like that. But yes, I'm just waffling on really, and I keep whispering because some people are sleeping, and I guess I'm just talking to a camera, so it's funny. So far the country looks quite nice. I haven't been here in years. I'm talking about double-decker, you know, double-decker train, making our way to I think it's a river tour, cruise, something so. It was busy when we got out the train, the Eurostar, and we came up to that platform where we need to go. It was busy, mad busy. Got onto the train, it was crazy. There's no way even for you to hold on or nothing. But this train's a little bit better, a little bit easier. It's amazing that like you step off the train and then you're just surrounded by a different language. It's amazing. And like as you're walking you can just hear people talking in French. It's just amazing. Yes. So we're having fun being tourists. I'll record some more when we get to the cruise place. So now we're on a bus. You're sitting on the train and all of a sudden everybody just start getting off and the trains lock off. There's no more train. So we just come up on the bus. Bus driver wasn't on the bus, but everybody's coming on the bus. You put your little ticket in a little machine and you wait for the bus driver to come. Just like so different. Then the bus driver come on the bus, drive a little piece in front and just come off again. Like, but yeah, so we're moving now on the bus. It's exciting, adventures. But it's a really nice lady, thank God. She's from Canada, so she spoke English and told us like what kind of happened and everything else, and then she can speak French too, so she asked them to where we need to go and what we need to do. So yeah, really nice lady. So we're off again now, and if you can see behind me, it's the roads there, buildings and everything else. So yeah, really nice. I actually thought that was the Eiffel Tower. Is it? Oh, shame, guy. The Eiffel Tower is just over that side. You can see. Okay. It's really, really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around now. See the top of the Eiffel Tower there? We're here on top of the tower.
找不到呢，老头的人在哪？我们老头呢？我不是。你来不来了？没看见，什么叫来不来？看不见。
This place is getting packed up. So we're here on the boat cruise. The sun is starting to come out, but it's still cold. The seats were wet. But hubby is such a gentleman and wiped it down. This is exciting. This really is exciting, I have to admit. I don't know if actually, like, it seems like we're in the middle of an actual tour group. But yeah, so we just jumped onto the boat. I don't know, didn't look like we I don't know. But yeah, it's like we're in the middle of a tour group, but we just, nobody said that we couldn't come on this one, so we just came on it. But we just, if I kind of do a pan. So yeah, I think we're in the middle of somebody's tour group, but people are looking at us as well. Do you want to get tea? Yeah, so the woman wants to get in. Yeah, so the woman wanted to get in. I'm actually thinking we hijacked someone's tour group. Oh well. But the thing is, everybody's filming, everybody's like taking selfies. So I don't feel no way to be recording mine. Yeah, but it feels nice. Sun shining as well. Yes. I actually think my phone's gonna die. I have a power bank with me, but I just record as much as I can for the day. Anyway, signing off again.
알렉산드르 3세 다리인데 돌과 청동 조랑으로 장식된 철물 구조로 모던 스타일의 매력을 보여주고 있습니다. 1900년 완공되었으며 프랑스, 러시아
Is the museums of mankind.
Right, so we're in a science museum now. Harvey kept on going back and forward past this building every minute. Oh, this building looks nice. What's in there? What's in there? So I said to him, do you want to go in there? And he's saying, no, I don't want to go in there. Then we went past it again. It's like, oh, doesn't it look interesting? So I said to him, go and find out what is in there. And he came back and he said it was a science museum. Then I said, oh, okay. Then I was going, but I could really tell he wanted to go in there. So I said to him, okay, let's go in there. And he's like, no. Like, he's like, do you want to go in there? I'm not really. So he goes, no, but I knew you wanted to go in there. So I said to him, yeah, let's go in there. So now we're in the science museum and it's actually quite interesting. I am a little bit stroke nerdy, stroke geeky. It's quite nice. The building is really lovely, really nice. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I always say that, but I'm gonna turn the camera around now. We're on the ground floor, the exhibits here. It's all about like reactions and induction. A lot of it's in French, so I'm going by the pictures and stuff like that. But it's really nice. So I don't really know what I'm turning for, so we'll leave that one. Oh, this looks more interesting.
Look at this one. It's a magnet, and you can link all the arrows to you.
Oh yeah.
So they follow the red dot.
I always do that. I think I'm filming and I'm not. When I thought I was recording, I was talking about over there's like a lecture going on, and just before they had something about floppy disks, and I was saying that, like, yes, I'm showing my age here, but I know what a floppy disk is, but the young kids, they're like, what is that? What is a floppy disk? It's just funny. But yeah, some lecture on there. There's like the restaurant cafe kind of thing over there. Are we going the right way? Ain't you got the map, babes? What kind of explorer are you?
What floor are we on? First floor.
Oh, baby. I love that man there.
Détruit les globules rouges morts et récupère le fer de leur hémoglobine qui servira à former la nouvelle hémoglobine des globules rouges élaborés par la voie osseuse. La rate est aussi un organe où s'accumulent et mûrissent certaines variétés de globules blancs qui sécrètent les anticorps nécessaires à la défense de l'organisme contre les micro-organismes infectieux. Les différentes
ultrascan.
sont présentées.
Oh, Auntie Lucy sick. Oh, hush, Auntie Lucy. Oh, pacemakers. Blood pressure. Callie would like this. Callie would like in there. Oh my gosh, you know I'm vlogging, innit? I'm gonna leave that in there too. Oh, babies. Oh. Do you know childbirth is amazing? And actually, you know, like the pregnancy and stuff, it is amazing. A baby actually grows inside your body. I just think it's awesome. I just think like it's amazing that a human being can grow inside you, and then you give birth to the baby and it's an actual baby. It's just, I just think it's so amazing. Amazing. Because I know that's wrong, but that's where we are. And there's these little cute little bike thingies. Reminds me a little bit like Central London actually, just the way they are. But Adidas, babe.
Yeah.
Champs-Elysees, like I was saying before, but now this is the arch piece. if I turn that way and tilt it there, you can see it there. So we're having a lot of fun. We just had something to eat and we're going back on the road now. Getting tired. But hubby's enjoying his time, having fun. There is a lot of people. Let me try and do like a little... So many people here. But it's really nice atmosphere. Everybody's enjoying themselves. Yeah. Really good. Having a really good time still. See the tour buses. So we're gonna go somewhere else. I think we're gonna go to Louvres or Louvres. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's where we're gonna go next. So when we get there, I'll do some more recording. It's a little bit difficult to record a lot walking down the road because it is really busy. Obviously, it's like a tourist area, so it's really busy. But when I can record, I will do. See you.
No. And it did have today's date, but I thought it was earlier.
We ended up in the middle of a protest. It was absolute mayhem, standstill traffic. We had to find different routes. It was crazy. We were thinking we were going to miss our train. It was absolute mayhem. Hi everyone, we're back on the train now. We're just boarding. We're going to start to leave soon. We're on one of the new trains now. On the way there, we was on a older model. Now we're on a new one. I'm feeling quite happy. I've got the last drinks. I had a gingerbread latte, no, gingerbread cappuccino, but I had it with coconut milk instead of normal milk because of the dairy issues. So I'm a little bit giddy. It's been really good. It's been a really good day. Got some little souvenirs for the boys, some little bits for me as well, and I'm just so happy. Had a great day. Yeah, we're in them seats. Anyway, so I will get back to you very soon. Let me just sort myself out. Yes, like I was saying, get ready for the journey home. I'm quite tired actually, and I'll speak to you later. Bye for now. So we're actually moving now. I think we're definitely in the wrong seat because actually I think maybe I'm miserable and it's getting late and I'm tired because I don't have no patience. I have a low tolerance level for foolishness. Anyway, we're on the way home. We're going to watch some bits on hubby's tablet, and I can't wait to get the kids snuggles because I haven't seen them all day and I haven't seen them from last night actually. So yep, we're off now. There's no point recording outside because it's dark outside and the window's kind of reflecting everything, so no point recording that. Nothing really to see in here either, so I'll be out and hopefully I'll show you like all the little souvenir bits that we got. We got like basically souvenir bits for the boys and a bit for us too as well, so hopefully, sorry, something caught my attention, so hopefully I can do like a little souvenir haul. Anyway, see you soon. Hi everyone, so we're back. We're in London now. We're just driving to get the boys. I am so tired. Yes, you have to excuse my... Oh, the light turned off. Hold on. You have to excuse my... I'm so tired. You have to excuse my appearance. I plaited my hair up on the train. Listen, I didn't feel shame. No, I didn't feel shame. I plaited my hair up. I cleansed, toned and moisturised my face so that when we pick up the boys, I can do the least amount possible when I get home and then go to bed because we have to get up tomorrow, we have to get up tomorrow and prepare for church, etc. This light is getting on my nerves, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly show you the little souvenir bits that we picked up for whosoever. And yeah, I just wanted to just record it because I'm going to be giving them, definitely the boys are going to get their bits and then everybody else is going to get their bits. So I'm going to turn the camera around and then record it. Thank you so much for watching. If I don't finish the vlog off properly, I never finish off these things properly, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The light again, but we're just gonna pretend that never happened. Bye. Okay, so I'm back and you have to excuse the way I've got all this set up because I'm trying to balance it. So I'm just gonna show things, just pull them out of where they are and then just show you. I've got this little Playmobil, it's called Playmobil Special Plus. This is for our youngest. I know it's not directly something like from Paris, but it's just a little gift, a little souvenir gift that we're going to give to him. We got these little snacks. I wanted to get them some little snacks like from France so that they could have excuse me, they could have like, I know it sounds rude, but foreign treats. So we got them this. We don't really give them chocolate and sweets. I think I've said that a few times. We don't really give them it, but this is just like one of the one-offs. And they're like the little chocolate things that they have. Another treat, I know it's quite bad, but we bought them these. And remember, well, not remember, but we have 5 boys, so they're going to be sharing these things. They're not going to have like the whole pack each. So there's these look like the Oreos with the little white chocolate over it. And then another pack because there's 5 of them, so these come in a pack of 3, so we bought 2. This, I'm not going to open it, but it's a nice little glass. I think it might be like a paperweight or a little ornamental piece. It's glass and it's got a picture of the Eiffel Tower in it. I'm not going to open it because it's really nicely sealed. We picked up these little Eiffel Tower key rings in various colours. They're really, really nice. We got 5 of them for €1, which was really nice. I kind of, well, I didn't barter the man down, I shouldn't say that, but he gave us a good deal because I kind of held out. So yeah, it's 5 for €1, which was really good. And we also got, I'll just open the bag, sorry about this. We picked up some postcards, really nice. I'll try and take a proper picture of them because this card's going to drop everything out. Some really nice postcards. Oops, 1 minute, I'm just going to put the camera down, 1 minute. Did you get anything? For yourself? Yeah. I thought you got a hat.
Oh no, they're biting. It didn't fit really. It didn't fit properly.
You got your munchies.
I got my crepe.
And you wouldn't let me get you the Toblerone?
Nah, too expensive.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. So this is a purse type, wallet type thing. And you wouldn't even believe the amount of shops we trek up and down. You know, I saw this and another one in the first shop that we went in and the second shop that we went in, and I was like, humming and hawing. But anyway, it's really, really nice. It's one of them Robin Roof ones, you know, the brand that they have. They're exclusive to the city that they're in, and you can't get that city anywhere else. So yeah, this one is a Paris one. And you can put your coins in that part, which I really love because these kind of purses don't normally have somewhere that you can put your coins. This is really, I really like this. I like the colours and the wording. And this isn't, basically, I went to Mac and I picked up one of the small little, the Fix Plus, because every time I go to one of the Mac stores here, they never had the small Fix Plus, but when I was over there, they had this, so this is for me. Try and put everything back. I think there's one more thing, 1 minute. Where did I put it? A little, okay, I found it. So here, it's just this little key ring, and it's got a T on it. with little diamantes, and it's got the Eiffel Tower on it. I love these little key rings. I actually have a thing about key rings, if I'm honest. So anyway, yep, that's it. That's the little souvenir bits and pieces. Yeah, that's it. Thanks again for watching.